Want to create a real IBPS exam-like quiz on your WordPress website? With timer, sectional navigation, and detailed result analysis? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it using Acadlix Pro. Hi everyone! In this tutorial, we'll create a complete IBPS-style mock test step by step. This will give your students the same experience as the actual exam. Let's start by logging into the WordPress dashboard. Now go to the Acadlix quiz section and click on Add button. Now assign the quiz category. Enter the quiz title. For example, IBPS Demo Quiz. You can also add a short description so students know what to expect before starting. Now here comes the important part. From the quiz modes, select Advanced Mode and then choose IBPS. This automatically applies IBPS exam settings like layout, navigation, and structure. You can still customize a few options if needed. Next, move to the Instructions section. For Instruction 1, simply paste your exam instructions. To save time, I've already prepared them. For Instruction 2, you can either upload an image or add text instructions. Both options work perfectly. Now add your terms and conditions and a warning message if required. Then click on Save Changes. Now let's add questions. Acadlix gives you three options: manual entry, bulk upload from MS Word, and AI-based generation. In this demo, we'll use bulk upload. I already have 3 files ready: Aptitude, 35 questions, English, 30 questions, Reasoning, 35 questions. Click on Import from Doc, select your file, and click Submit. Within a few seconds, all questions will be uploaded automatically. Now assign subject, marks, and negative marking. Repeat the same for all subjects. Now comes a key IBPS feature, sectional timing. Go back to the quiz list and click on Subject-Wise Settings. Enable subject-wise timing. For IBPS prelims, each section is 20 minutes. So enter 1,200 seconds for each subject. Click Save Changes. Now your quiz is ready. Let's publish it. Copy the shortcode. Go to Posts, Add New, enter a title, and paste the shortcode. Now click Publish. Let's see how it looks for students. When the quiz starts, it opens in full screen mode. First, students see the instructions. Then they accept the terms and start the exam. Students can answer each question by selecting one option, and they can easily move from one question to another. Since this is sectional timing, they cannot switch sections without submitting. Now, let's submit this section first. Here, you can see the sectional overview. Click on Submit Section. Now we are in the English section. Students can also mark questions for review and come back to them later. From the info icon, they can quickly check the section overview anytime. Now let's submit this section as well. Students can also navigate directly to any question using the question palette on the side. Finally, click on the Submit button. Now, click on Submit Test to finish the exam. And here's the best part. Students get a detailed result analysis instantly. So this is how you can create a complete IBPS-style quiz on your WordPress website using Acadlix LMS. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials like this. See you in the next one.